For you, John?
Well, it's interesting that Nadia says, I've got this, and Elise says, I'm very confident. And I think that it's two different ways of saying what I'm also feeling, that you shape sort of the business, you peel back the activities and you lay it down on the calendar, and you start to see how it takes shape. And you can start to actually see the business. And I could actually see gaps. And now I know, okay, for the next few weeks, I have some opportunities to fill those gaps, maybe talk to some other people, get some ideas, or maybe bring on someone to take care of a task that it's a chunk of time that it's not good for me to be putting my effort into. And so it becomes rather empowering that you have a much stronger sense of where you're going, what you need to do, what you need to bring along for the journey. And as I might have mentioned once, is the whole idea of knowing quite early where you might make some corrections that will just make the whole year that much better. So you have time in early January or the start of the fiscal year, whatever it is that you're doing, to make those corrections rather than discovering 12 months in that, like, okay, this is never going to work and I didn't see it coming.
Great. You're so right. Well, thank you so much. And John, even as a seasoned business owner, you recommend this to other business owners?
Oh, yeah. No, it happens to be the part of the year what I want to do planning in, and this is a great opportunity to think about it. And funny enough, in Silicon Valley, we talk about doing annual plan every quarter. So businesses, rapid growing entrepreneurial businesses can grow quite quickly. So you need to rethink your 12-month goal every 3 months because you might have blown right past it. And you need to say, okay, what does that mean? And a seasoned business owner will probably like this better than a non-seasoned business owner.